I beg, Ogbonna, wait first. Godfather,
Domoza.
where's it, my brother?
If I find me come up, easy way there to know whether this guy buy motor. Now Benin did and Benin me dey.
Yes.
Which Ogbonna, I bet which bank you transfer money give this guy? Which bank? On mute.
First bank.
I bet give me the name, the account number. Make them bring the bank statement for you. Also, now give me as PDF. I want copy for First Bank now. Send me the account name. Make them send me the bank statement as PDF.
Okay, through that one, I will go know whether it transfer money.
Yes, whether the money come up for the account. We know how the money take come up for the account. You take
Godfather, you know.
Did they get me?
Take the account
Wait, I
number.
call that guy from First Bank. I'll call you back.
Godfather.
Domo. Wait, I want copy for First Bank. Send me the account name and the and everything.
Correct.
The account name.
See the account. I want call her. Man, send her give a no give.
No, call her, my right.
Call on, Matt. Tell Ogbonna, make it
30.
30.
We are fast for the Siam.
64.
64.
No, this one on my own now. Sorry. That one on my own.
Okay.
That one on my own. Make I call you. Okay, now you on day down. The account number and 3090 17 96
96
76.
76. First Bank, the name.
The name now ODU.
ODU.
Destiny, best man. Destiny.
Best man.
Best man. Like best. Means something. You come put man, journal. Best man.
Best man, okay. If I come up, I sync out to my phone, I call the person.
Oh, yeah, done now.
I'm not on mute. You dey hear me? Remember your last speaker? Sonny, you dey hear me? Ramudia. Sonny, you dey hear me? You dey hear me now? Watch out from that side. Your voice dey on air. Sonny, you know why they blame you? Because you lied to me from the beginning. That's why they blame you. You lied to me, say that ass. Wait first and you talk. You lied to me, say that ass. When the German money they go, say the ass legit. You said it here on my live TikTok.
I told you the reason of me saying me.
Me tell you, I've been on German money. Tell you.
No, I told you.
But that is a lie. You were lying to me. You don't want to lie to me now.
Hold on. Carry TikTok come give me for stay around. Say wetin you dey talk for good wey I wan do for person. My good no go kill me o.
Na so my own.
I don get if I hold on now.
Eresi me yẹn gbi me. Na so my good no go still kill me.
Muja. You say. Tell me say you talk for life. Say you go carry soldier come arrest me. Go carry soldier come scatter my store.
Yes.
Say I chop German money.
Yes. When I say that, you know where I talk.
If I not supposed to talk that rubbish.
You know where. If you like, you say that rubbish. Adamio. If you like, you say that rubbish. If you like, you say that you talk. Adamio. People money. Adamio. I know they use it against you. Now you still be the bad person. Women will be done. Women were done. Now you deceive this boy. May he go your ass. Then why go give this guy your. Bawanare, you are a very stupid idiot bet Naija boy. Wow, Awagmo. If you're a young boy, you are very stupid. When will they donate money for this boy? We not see you, Sonny. You claim say you know this boy since 2000. We not see you. Now money come, you call up and call your ass in the help and help you boy. Not be the social when I tell them say they want go there. Not be make you tell German money make call send me receipt for WhatsApp. And I for do am because you are not being sincere. When this boy tell Lagos, we not hear nonsense like this. Oh wait. One of we bet Naija when he. How we eh? This one saga bet Naija. Anybody know here? I can do it. They look me like German money where there your ass. They look me like the potty. All the people who suffer same money, you want make the money go down the drain? You don't let to be say, hey pa, the ass legit, may we bring money come. At the end of the day, you say German money, they lie to you. Now German money, when they tell you how you want to do it life, I feel like you want to control German money. Now you control German money, go your ass. You say they help or boy. Help or boy. Help or can't boy. But so I come out for your ass. Make that one go sleep a ring road for 2 days. May I need. Because I don't see waiting Jado go they do for another person. Yes. After you don't suffer for Germany, you go the squat. My mama na one. You go the squat with another person for Nigeria. The German money said not even get sense. The reason why I stated this case is because I want to clear my name. I want Obona name to be cleared. I they help people before. Not because that's how they help people. It is your turn now. You say they spoil your name. You know that mother wow. Can I go his ass? Mother wow. You know it's too much. You don't hear me.
Sorry. Hey, take your
Sorry, mama. Musa, no be a tusa. I'm not right. She just no children. She bruised her leg. What is Sonny? You don't they talk say you will go put person when they do social media for us. You don't know say if you not do that thing well. If you they follow what they lie, one day I go find out. You don't know. No, but yesterday they confessed to me say I was lying. I mean, no say I record you yesterday. So may we protect your name. Many people will send money, call for German money. May their money lost like that. May they don't see what they donate for. May you spoil my platform for me. Now you be want to now because you tell me now say I say well you're good okay you may not do good. Now let you want to do good. As a matter of fact, now Vasabi good you do. Because nobody sent you to put that boy in your house. Everybody was trying to rent a house for him. Now you don't know himself. Because 300,000 naira house they be in apartment. You say it then lonely. You want big problem now for not go there tomorrow, you fail. May tomorrow rich, but will not go there. May you still go that house, the bet Naija, you and the German money. None of me wants to saga you. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? One way, the time is that they talk rubbish. Because they check and balance you. You put person for us, enough you talk. Now so it be for Lagos. Now we talk say German money, now German money. We'll change that in itself. That will not be German money. That one I don't even know today. What did he call himself German money? German money for waiting. You are no longer in Germany. Call yourself Nigerian money. All those Naira money. Carry they go. Nonsense. You don't do that. Who are you? You know the shame. You will be the sonny. You put 45 years old man for us. With your wife and children. Say they help her. You know they benefit anything from her. Now they help her. And then they help me say, may I call carry her come up for your ass. See what you they help me now. Now good you say you do like this now. Now no, that's why I tell they do good. They always say, we just call it and say, hey Pat, can I make come up from my house? Now go no kill me. Me when they do good, me I will go and raise 4.2 million for her. Enough it talk. You put OBB, you put her for us. German money is OBB. Your new name is OBB. Because I did help people for a year before. You cannot make me to stop helping people that want my help. And for my fans to believe in me and for them to continue to support me in my last stream, I have to be open to them. May I call them mute, so they talk to you. When you don't let it lie to me, may I call them mute? Rubbish. Nonsense. When I'm with bet Naija when I'm with ya. We'll spoil your bet Naija. I'll tell my first way go there. You are encouraging gambling. You encourage people. They play gamble for your store. You want people for social media. You know what it is social media. I can do it. Yeah, I don't wear unaya riyama egadology. You want me to do it? Nonsense. Rubbish. I get lawyer for that, Bini. If I find out tomorrow soon as scam us, I will arrest you. Because that was not our plan. Even you said the house not there, okay, may first stay there first. OBB know anything they do. You don't see that by ancestral cause they follow and they go. The oppressed German money say, may not do live video for your house. For waiting now. 45 years old man. You're going to kill you. Because you said, I said, once the truth, you already they come aside. Now they form say, I said, why not use Sojo? Tell me why not use Sojo. They're not send me receipt. Since 4 days ago, they send me receipt. So as for now, send me receipt today. Now you agree, so don't send me receipt. Oh yeah, he buy boss. You wait, tell me say you want to go bring the car, come and not see you again. You forget what you use all your mouth talk yesterday. I am going to post your video because I never wanted to post your video, but I am going to post your video now. Maybe your brothers will DJ me, maybe they come out. When you are really buya bae, you be twa bae, bae we no give matter. If Saga come a day, if Pistol come a day, if I come for you, you are the victim. If you still come for me, you will still remain the victim. Nonsense, rubbish. Godfather, talk to us, Jari.
But I recorded for the first bank. I already sent out the account number.
I don't want to drop a piece. The video recording, women at talk, I'll post after that video. Rubbish. Nonsense.
May the guy respond to me. Now 12 the night I send out for anyone if they respond to me. So I already sent out for answer. No. Once you respond, I go do one.
Okay.
Yeah.
You go do na.
Yes, now I go do one. I go send out, give me as PDF. It did very, very easy. But you go send out for me as PDF. So the way money theater the account, even when Ogbonna send, Ogbonna, which day you send out? Which date? Eh? You mute.
The date, where the receipt say?
Yeah, the date me send down. That date in today, how money take enter the account, I take come out.
On the 14th of this month of November.
On the 14th of November to
should be on the 14th on Friday. I bet help me check.
No, you know me on the 14th of November till today. How money take enter the account, money take come out. So it is very, very easy. So now for the also as PDF, they all come once.
Godfather, I beg you, had the staff number, I beg. May not go report the staff.
No, I not sure. Yes, I know.
German money.
No, the German money go there, oh. If I hear me.
German money, in the year.
German money go accept. You get go ask oh.
German
so
money.
Made one. He go accept with the math.
You go accept. No worry, just what you go do now. I don't know how they say they do, and they say you go accept. You get your back app for phone for the. I be still there with Sony. No, I collect your card and pin. Godfather, get where you are.
You know, so why they get that account number? I only account number they need.
Why they get that account number? You are going to leave the house. I dey tell you now, German money. You are going to leave the house. You see your left? You will be Jando. You can't go to squat with person because you're your friend. You see how they mess you up? Nonsense.
No be say money no dey to rent house, money dey.
Money dey to rent house, my brother. You don't stay with somebody.
No be say money no dey. Money dey.
You see that you leave the house or
we know they do this kind of thing for our side.
Confirm and say you buy bus, I'll leave you.
We don't live this kind of life.
I'll not answer you again. I just want to confirm from my fast say you buy boss. Now what the child do that one? Now you know you want to live your life because you don't spoil a lot of people mind.
Wait. Hello?
Wait.
Good afternoon. Now Collins they talk. I'm out number please. Yeah, I be the call. Let me give you phone before. Let's not the pick. I do. I beg, you fit help my guy print first bank statement. You know the Nigeria, but you want your print first bank statement. Let me see the way family today come money for their accounts. The guy be.
You need to fit form to buy.
I know he go fill the form, everything. He send me the account number and everything. Just help my door, I beg. You know my own. You send us PDF. You don't need the copy. You just PDF. You send us PDF. You want your see or if you bring a come out for the system, the way.
Godfather.
The way.
Very nice. I don't want me to get the trace of that voice. You not go see give the girl problem because it is against the rule of bank. That's what it be for this side. And generally, you will be the normal money. Money not there for you to take letters. 350,000. You day your whole house. You feel go the greet Sonny. I want you to be dependable. So you can have a wife and children, my guy. You too dull. You know who the whole person will come from Germany. Even if you say you get extra cost, when they do you, you should stand as a man.
I don't care. I don't get.
If I brother catch you while lie, they go leave you overnight. If you perform for them, if they ask you questions, they call the way they reply, they don't all leave you. They'll say you not best. Yo, kidnapper they carry you. Me not the fear say kidnapper carry you. It's the one you do. If they ever see you, say they will even dash you money. Sonny lied to me. Sonny lied. He tell me, he said that house where you show me, where it be their family house last. He said that house like genuine house. He said if I bring 300K on, you go stay there. Not to tell me.
Sir, let me talk. What do you talk?
You say wait, when you talk to me finish, say when you give her the phone, not worry. I'll go back down TikTok just and go talk and come. Don't worry. Sonny tell me say it's legit. God bless you, honey. My wife come ask you say whether God you say not they lie to me again. If I don't tell you the real truth, your network will call the skip. Which kind of network be this one with the skip? They tell them the truth. Una was stress or one. When we meet Paris, give a month. Mais moi bien là. Il me met now say. Sonny and you lie to me. Say the family house is rent. You know if I agree saying a family house. He tell me say the house is rent. Say if I give you 300,000 now, you go enter the house. Make a bigger come and say just do online. Make I show you. Everything they send me, I they save am. If I say God, they use me, they save all these things. Because by now, the one that wanted to do me, I forgot become to lead to my fans. You know if you spoil my name. I am happy you does not make you spoil my name. You can't spoil my name. See the house. See the house. No. Sonny come here and say they talk rubbish. Now make I explain to you.
He call you.
Yes. He said they talk rubbish.
Wait. Me, I look my face. I mean, I want just discover the code. I mean, I want just discover the code.
You just, I want you to be dependable. You come up for them before Sunday. Go carry your ass. Come on. The rest and still will have the cook. The egusi soup will have the cook. Go they look for fast food they buy on. But we want you to confirm if you don't buy the boss. And maybe we know if we'll still help you again or not. If my fast now they help you, not verse. If that's okay, since you don't buy boss, maybe we still they pity for you. We will help you. Take secure out. If now 1 year we fit pay for you, me, I go bring 100,000. But that one, if we don't confirm and say don't buy boss, and we'll donate, give you ask for 1 year. Now you will go back and put yourself. That's your punishment. For you to stress me. That's your punishment. You too do me. Not the only one I don't help for my life. See the house when I said for you. Was this not this house? You don't be their family house. When you say me I'm not post, I'll post them. Tell Sonny, say I will post this house now. Because when I be tell me before me I not post the house and their family house. Now.
If I hear me, Ogbonna, may they check your accounts?
Wait.
If I ask now, come. Now Ogbonna be that paper.
Now Ogbonna dey also.
Yeah, so go na this person, Jama money.
Yes.
Jama money, make they check your account, your bank statement. Your bank statement of your account, the way money theater, the way money take come out. May they help you check am because you know they are around. Yes or no? May they help you check your bank statement. May they help you send your bank statement.
Yes, I made the photo if you buy boss.
May they help you check them. They'll print them out for you. You'll see your bank statement by yourself.
The one you check on. Okay, nah, say yes.
May they check am be?
Yes.
Which branch you to open the bank? Which branch you to open the bank?
Which bank?
Yeah.
Which branch? Where you for open the bank?
Oh, yo, branch. Oh, yo. Understand at the port. Government.
If I hear me,
Oh, my branch will get my guy.
if I hear me, you know why they get the ask?
First bank.
No, not be first bank, sir. If I hear me, you know, based on all this kidnapping and stuff, the girl got they confirm.
Yes.
Say whether or not that make her she dey hear, that make her they ask which branch. Make her know that the right person I she dey follow the talk. Which branch? And he go confirm and say. You don't know where you don't know where you put your account, like which state, which area?
Ogbona, if I never tell this boy make go Lagos. Ogbona, if I look for us, give this boy for Lagos. Ogbona.
Oh, you dey hear me? Jama money, which side you dey stay for Benin? Which side you dey stay for Benin?
You want go ask Sonny? He say me I wait. He say they come back.
If I ask her where they stay for Benin, ask her where they stay for Benin.
Janto.
If I where they stay for Benin?
Where stay Europe for 8 years. You don't know where they stay for Benin. You know right?
If I ask her where they stay for Benin, you know just the ad. If you fit talk where they stay for Benin, if I hear me, tomorrow morning, either you enter cab, come where I dey, or you go tell me about meter. Me, I don't know the ad, until you drive your car. We all go there, 5 minutes, they don't print bank statement come out. This bank statement, and I go confirm. We not even got to go to find boss. Now this bank statement will tell you the way money take come off for the account.
For your account.
Yes. So that receipt may send you in a big fuck up. Because that receipt may give, if you not match with the day made that money take come for the account, meaning send a fake receipt to send you. You dey get me so? Now that receipt may send you so now you take fuck up.
You are in the spirit, Godfather. You are in the spirit. You smart.
That receipt so now you take fuck up. May go send for you.
You are in the spirit, Godfather. You smart. You smart. Where? You smart. Godfather, you want to carry a little bit more not I don't buy. Don't carry a little bit. I don't buy. Please power tap.
May you call the guy.
Jama money. Which branch you for open your bank account? Godfather.
I wish not Benin. You dey get me? You guys I wish that Benin.
Wait first, man. Where you take go, sir? I'm not getting the wait. I'm not getting the hear you.
Epa that account, and when he dey work for Ekpoma photographer, now I open am. So as he want open new one, he can't tell them say if I get account, he can't give them a name. And so they say redo the account again, can't start to the work again. They can't put in number, can't receive a
because I wish that Benin, the first sending me give that branch me to open am. They get me first. So I don't fit it one. But since na Ekpoma, I know they had. If they get me so, now for him to your come, I wish that Benin the fit collect it on print from that one, take collect am. So I wish since na Ekpoma, where in day, would they not fit come today? Tomorrow morning. Which area you dey? Which area you dey stay?
Which area you dey? No.
Madua area, Urora side.
You know me now. I think carry am for Ring Road. You get time to come out for Ring Road. Carry on New Benin.
You know thing for me as today, the area where you dey. Bushi Road.
How she do the hand? You know me now. I'll carry you for this ring road for there.
You fit call Ring Road tomorrow morning.
Or New Benin anywhere.
You fit call Ring Road tomorrow morning. You not get money for hand.
No worry. I'll pay cab. Better cab come. I'll pay.
Godfather say make you enter cab come so you go pay.
Better cab come.
Eh? Jama money.
If I hear me so.
Egbe wa wo when my brother we
See. They don't already know say if you talk Ekpoma, say they know if you collect that band statement. I made this guy talk that band statement. Me no worry. Me enter cab come. Me go pay.
No worry. I give him muya. Thank you so much, Godfather. God bless you. Thank you.
Oh, worry, I'll call you back. I'll call you.
If I cut this live stream, yeah?
Okay, now, Damasa.
All right. Ogbona.
Epa.
They deport any Jando again. They list you know. He call you. Tell him say you know the year where. Cut him. Make it first suffer for that. People call the video now they put for Facebook before we come see on our own. If they deport any Jando again, you're by mistakenly. Ogbona. You're the speaking before. Tell us say you know the year where. Make it first feel am first. Make it forget things. Because as your pick, your call you your pick, now their problem for you come. But it's okay. Godfather say may you come with Uber, he will pay. So you mean Jama money as you did and I not get money? One naira is not with you.
I ain't come to the chop now.
You not get money as you did there. Jama money. You not get money as you did there.
Wow, this matter go far.
Very nice. So how you tell it? No wonder that boy they use you. Okay, so you don't get 1,000 naira. As you did, you don't get 1,000 naira. Like say your own money. You know why we they rush you now? Now so we tell they rush you before. Not be so we tell they rush you before. Now you make us go they rush you. Yeah, go relax because you say you dey cough. You say you get it. Go and relax. Then tomorrow we will continue. No, that boy too small. Where you ask, we go tell me say you talk rubbish. He's too small. He said he caught me now. He said me I put on for loudspeaker. Say me they talk rubbish. For him wey don't lie to me before. Eh, my guy, if you never lie to me, say that ass, say you dey free. May I beat 300,000 come only. Give me juju paper, I answer you. And they tell her now, 2008 is watching. If you were put money for us, if you never left for me, say that ass free. Say that ass free, may I beat 300,000. Give me juju paper, I answer you.
But not stress yourself. In say from now in 10 minutes time, they'll send me the bank statement. The girl don't listen at me. I don't call her with this number.
Okay, wait, then they wait for your statement to statement.
Wait, they'll bring your statement just now. They'll bring your statement.
They'll bring your statement. Wait.
They'll bring your statement just now.
Wait, not cut on. Moderator, they bring people up, when they contribute.
I'll bring her just now.
Hello, Epa.
My sister Grace, how you doing?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You get wetin I want to talk for you. You hear me?
Yes, I hear you. So,
This Jama money issue so.
yes.
I dey see am say na stress that they use you take the stress. Now that one they pay me for inside so.
God will bless you.
You see this man so one before I go talk. If you look people wey not work for this country before they deport them, even though you donate 20 million for them, they're not go use the money do better thing for life. That been one thing. As he dey so, he no know the value. And person wey dey he house so, he wait and know how that money take go. Now so you go do now. They know the truth. He not get anything way bad there. For me, I go just advise say make they all leave this man. Because they know what that they do. The money not there anywhere. Guess as you just they use you they play. Today go say day here, tomorrow a day here. Today day here. Another day here. See now. Tomorrow they'll say that they cough, that they sick, that they do this one. No statement of account. They don't know the value. If you look those one where don't work for this journey before they deport them, they know the value of the money. You know they see Ogbona for there. Money where they donate for Ogbona, you're all big person. They not hear all this thing. All this thing are shame and disgrace. After your spoil no gain, now you they do so. I not make sense. And again, once you don't see proof of all these things, show where this boy for corner. I know say Naisha, just throw me because na shame. Big disgrace. It don't make sense. I don't tire for this in matter.
Me too. That money.
So.
That money, it goes over.
I don't talk finish.
It goes over.
Whenever they go, I hear the verse.
That money goes over. You know, gay, I beg. Don't steal yourself again, I beg. I beg. I go beg you. I go beg you. Don't steal yourself again. Because they worry, that mean money. Because they worry you.
Me. It's not true. They're not see true.
Your baba. Your baba now. See your life now. That money is your life.
Wait.
Your baba now. Body you go kill your for everywhere you dey. Go kill you. Say that.
No more sorrow. Wait. No more sorrow. Wait. I'm at work.
Anybody when they say this guy money again, bad war, what's it? That money Papa don't do, it go affect you now. If anybody say that money again from now, because that money Papa now you slave father, the bad thing when him your father that money don't do, now it go affect you now. But God grace,
no more worries. Wait, I want to say something quickly.
Go kill now.
Please meet this guy. I want to say something.
Go punish you now. You like Isha people, or go kill now, or go agbera. You like Isha. Why just did? Isha, wait, I just go kill now. Run the craze.
No, Esther, no.
Which people, which craft?
No more sorrow. No, don't talk about. It's not about tribe. It's about personality. Listen, I want to say something. Please,
wait. McAfee, please wait. Nobody should insult Esther here, please. We are not tribalistic. We can help anybody from Nigeria, even outside Nigeria. We are not tribalistic. My mother is from Uromi, Efandyon. Na Esa woman born me. My dad na Benin man. We feel help Yoruba person. No more sorrow, please. Don't insult Esa people, please. We are one Nigerian, please. Let's not put tribalism into this, please. Before Esa people will come for you, no more sorrow. Esa people strong, not let them come for you. Because now you dey insult them now, not be my platform, I not join no.
So I just a quick one because I'm very busy right here. German money, I don't want to have a problem with anybody. Everything that I did was because of Enogie. We've known each other for a very long time, and because of Ogbonna. Ogbonna is from my mom's place. So I don't want to talk much. I gave you an offer, which they took you there, they gave you properties to stay there. It's an estate, and the pastor lives also there as your neighbor that was supposed to live with you. But after your discussion with Sonny, you people decided on what to do. I asked you, I said, you're supposed to come on Saturday. Why are you now coming on Tuesday? You said Enoge planned everything. That is was the plan of Enoge. I said, okay. Now, while I was talking with you, you now said, I told you to be very careful when you stay in that compound. You say you don't have any friend, you don't have to play with anybody, that all the whole people are cultists. I got angry. I said that was the reason why I told you. I didn't want to say this thing since. That was the reason why I told you. I said, don't do video outside that compound.
If you want to do video, you should do video inside, because I wanted to monitor you for some time. That was what happened. Nobody's telling you not to do any video. The video of the two houses is with Enoge. The video of the both houses is with Obonna. It is only when somebody came up on a live video and said, and the person now said that the house was never available. That was I think is your brother. I overheard you people saying it, and I came up and I said, no, I debunked it. I have properties in the other one that you were supposed to stay with. You now decided that you are going to stay with Sonny until the other one will be shown to you, which I now said, okay. They showed it to you, both the street and everything. The videos and everything is there. Because of what you said, when I noticed who you are, the second communication with you, I recorded it. Look, Jama Money, don't joke with me. I'm a very good man. I'm a very nice person. I have a very good heart. But I won't take deformation of character. That I won't take. If you like, be mad. If you like, be well. You coming up, you said today, the other day you on a live stream, you said I saw them a no gay. Made a logo used to take do rituals. Some people started commenting that me and the no gay were ritual. I didn't want to talk. I looked at you like you are insane because you are a deportee. I don't know what happened to you. You felt like I've carried out my investigation to find out how you lived in Germany, how you were sending money for a woman in Nigeria, how you foolishly signed documents and they did a verification and took you back to Nigeria like you requested for it. Now, you stay in Nigeria, they gave you 2 houses. You've done everything. I've known Enoge for a very long time. If you look at me, all your missed calls are in my phone. I don't talk to you. I don't talk to trans, I don't talk to nuisance. Because you are a nuisance. I was not up to your years when I brought 3 people to Europe. When I brought a cousin, brothers, and even a friend to Europe, and they are doing well. I was not up to those years you spent in Europe. You're a very stupid man. Listen, if I ever hear my name from your mouth again, I will so deal with you. I don't fucking care. And whosoever you're how you people plan, Enoge, I want to tell you right now, that boss, don't send anybody to that man. This is a swap boss. That is a dirty old boss. They know how to get receipt and everything. Just get bank statements and we know what to do.
Father is giving us, Miss McCaffrey, please calm down. I know that you are hot. You have been my brother for
look at this now saying that. Look at all the nonsense he's saying. He doesn't know that there is proof and evidence of everything.
Can I say something? 2016. Please calm down. See, McCaffrey, do you know what will happen? Your father is giving us a real life update this afternoon. We are not even interested in the boss again. How the money was being transferred. We want to know when and the date the money was being transferred.
Oh, no, yes, sir.
Because the receipt carries 18th of November, yeah?
Oh, no, yes, sir. Please, let me say something real quick, sir. Please, thank you for the opportunity. I've been asking to come up since. Just a brief one, sir. God bless you for what you're doing. So, you know, when this guy came in, I was on his live stream. I know what I did. If he's there now, he can hear. The little I contribute. I use a word. I say, sir, I just leave Lagos. A week before I leave Lagos, that was when they deport him. I said, I've lived in Lagos before all my life. I understand the business system in Lagos. If you want to do something, this is what you will do. I said, he now made mention of Uber. I said, no. You need to start from a very little beginning. I'm coming to somewhere, sir. Just a few minutes. I know there are so many people here. You need to start from a little beginning so that you can stand up as a man. Because I did business investigation in Lagos. I understand how transport system work. He said, no, he go buy Uber. I said, you don't know waiting day. If you try and in 2 days, you will be in trouble. They hear my voice now because my voice is very, he understand my voice. This when I said, okay, no problem. At the end, looking at that boss today, I don't think if he's talking to fools. Nobody, they buy motor with only receipts. Where is the custom paper? When follow the motor when you claim, say you buy. You understand? I don't understand. How on earth will you bring a receipt? You buy motor without custom paper. Who said that motor for? This guy, I think say something really they worry you. You bring only receipt without a custom paper, without being told, oh no, J. Even picking when they born today, no say that motor. Now, motor when they don't use now third hand, not be even second hand. Do you know how many pieces of that car I have? Now, Bina for even they buy my own. You know how many pieces? How on earth will you say that motto na Tokumbo? Oga, why you know they tell yourself the truth? You better change, if you want God to help you. You carry receipt come without custom paper. How can you purchase a car without a custom paper?
Yeah,
Oga, where is your custom paper? Where is your custom paper? It be like say this thing when they say they do you, they really do you. Where the custom paper when they give you for the motto? You carry only receipts when they fought with 1,000. You carry till they deceive thousands of people. I don't understand. For you now, your stupidity now make them they call it some people. Where the custom paper when you take buy moto? I don't understand. You go they lie like say you don't even get sense. Be like say they carry this your sense, they throw away. You carry only receipt. Can't they fool people for year? Onoje, please, with due respect, sir, just forget it. No more investigation. God don't clear you. God knows say you don't do what you're supposed to.
because you know what, my brother.
Where custom paper when you take by
I don't want my name to be dragged for nonsense.
Yes.
I don't make my name all these
You have
years.
a car. Don't you have custom paper in your car?
All these years. I will not want somebody to tarnish my image.
Where you custom paper? Make una tell am. I know. At least I get like 3 of that rubbish boss. Not be na yeye boss. I want this boy say this motor not be better motor. If they even dash you not carry, go and buy brand new keke marwa to start life. You say, oh brother, not true. You talk, oh, very manipulative. Now let you start to be witch. Where is the custom paper? Come on, get out there, Jare. You made them, they call it some people. Now, Wesha, Onoje, thank you for the opportunity.
Yes, I did.
You send me I saw German money number, made a call video call. They say I call the bank. So I go there.
Money they lie because why?
I want to call up a video call. So I don't look at with the passport with the whether a mass.
No, see, again, make everybody mute for now, please.
Everybody, do you understand me? Yeah, German money. Come here, call if I reach there because they say me I call the bank. Because they say the thing they very risky, but they say me I come. So you know they far from me now. Reach the house now. So the oga call him, but when they talk, say make the check on. But when they agree, say make the check on, they'll keep on.
On my live video, they will call you now to confirm something. Godfather. May I give you the
give me the number.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait. More on the power tap now. Take me to 1 million likes today, guys. We're already 546. Take me to 1 million likes, guys. Power tap for me, please. I'll get on that hot topic later. I'll be saying my friend will still last before. No, say this one will constantly happen. Wait, may I send and give you father? Boss lady, you feel contribute now, boss lady.
Okay, Pa, good afternoon. The contributor I want to say, so you see that money, where that money do to Ogbonna? Ogbonna softly manage that money, gather that money, give this man. That man way, Jama way they in house. That man a very useless man. For that man to talk say what you talk na rubbish, that man is a bastard. Because because of that money, how you will see possibly say you need to come for Nigeria, you come put down for us, you know they pay light bill, you know they give you money, you know they give you the feed down. Now that money now they high to scatter that money for your hands. If you talk about this matter, may you leave on. Just leave on, may just go like that. May just go. Now you want to live in life. Many people there where they need help. What thing I want to talk about? I greet you.
My darling, thank you so much for me.
Thank you. Give me.
Thomas, good evening, everybody. First of all, I job money go see no get money to theater moto to go meet Godfather. Even if na 1K, what on the 400 or something we call me for you? What you can't use that one do? This smile, you know your day straightforward at all. Your Benny, that's for that. And secondly, when they defend it, also they want contribute for that. I can't be say I will give a set of chair. I can't be saying they give her the house. I think give her a set of chair because we get three different type of set of chair we get. So we get one for that this our house, one carry one go back. So the many one we no use, I may not come go square before. So now because I'll give her, but me since you want you don't wash up more for a matter, me don't see wash on. So maybe I don't feel like maybe if you say make I show you, I feel show you. I know the lie. So
may we wait first. May we really see who the daddy boss before we go know what to do as a Sama.
Epa, no problem. Epa, if you still ready to help him, me go still ready give her the set of chair to God and man. I know the joke. Thomas, sir. Oh. Epa, they say make I show them the chair. I feel show them, make them know some of the joke.
Yeah, show them. Show them. Oh, camera. My moderator body to the hot. My moderator body to the hot. Next, Godfather, write me a message now. People they write me message. I don't feel find your number.
Okay, now that's it.
Will bring me down. See ya. Epa, see the chair what you do. See the one what we fair get.
Every fine share.
Wow. Wait.
See the one I want give her. This one. Because this one are theory. See the chair I want give her. We know they use them. So you be like say nothing there yet. One day upstairs. See the chair I want give her. See the other one day upstairs. Then this one, so
yes.
This one they go upstairs for up because now up. So this one I will need do so. This one.
I bet you still give her here.
Yes, sir. So because if I know wala, if you want to point for a matter, if you want point for a matter, me still ready to point for a matter too.
Wow, my backbone.
Thomas, sir.
Let's see, Kaka.
All right.
Let's see.
Thomas. Yes, sir.
Let's see. Isso não vale aí. But you to drop aí.
If I just say I don't write you.
Make I write you. Make I just send you my money number.
Nigeria money, not be Ghana money.
In Nigeria money. I give it change your number. This should serve as a lesson to every other person that will come here and say, I need help. At the end of the day, you could not give an account of what you use the money.
Epa, good afternoon.
I'm sorry to cut you short, sister Bernard Vessel. I never see where person when be say that carry matter of money for this your age, 40-something years. You dey send money, give person, you know, feel screenshot the money where you transfer, statement of account, you know, feel screenshot time. Open a fit screenshot, you know, keep until today, they show you till today. I don't know. That they know say like this side this matter. Like this side the matter because German money with that boy, they get what they hide. Because statement of account now what did they keep for future reference. Now that they call deed of transaction. You must get that when you take transfer that money for that man account. You know, just carry receipt can't give us. You can go meet person shop now, beg with 50,000 naira. So I beg, will just give me your receipt. Man, I tell you, just do one something. Who be small picky for this for this life? So that boy will go follow stay house now bring with German money. German money, if you don't want to learn, now you can't know. But maybe we just hear what the Godfather will talk, sha. But now you can't put us for a long matter now because like I say you get screenshots. All this matter for us will not reduce. So that is my submission. Sister, if you talk.
Thank you, developer.
Epa, that you see that boy just now, we be say he dey for where German money day he has. My friend go to first, good afternoon. You see that boy where German money day he has. That boy know what they do. You just start know what they do. You dey ask a question just now. I never even talk anything. One bring something like call and come outside. Make them for not know where the truth. So I mean, now again, you don't care me have a German money boy. You just start. That boy know what they do. The first day, the boy show himself for camera. That time, he tip never shy for the money. He never know how much dey the account. When he come know say better the vet dey for that account, like begin at the end for shop and well. That boy know what they do. That boy know what they do. German money, you really disappoint everybody. You disappoint everybody. You really support everybody. You dey show. You don't know say people wey dey do all this game for us, all this yahoo for us. You don't know say they feel they follow you the chat. You go feel say na America you cannot follow you the chat. You don't know. They go feel say na America they go tell you say they be Genevieve. You go feel say na Genevieve they follow you the talk. You don't know say na this video that they do one. You never know the country where you dey. They never really catch you mugu. Now until they catch this one as no mugu don't catch you. The next one they'll catch you in that grave, that place where they bury your pie, you go say and go give them money before you know before you know where life be. Before you go know where life, the you wait you now you know what go where they bury your papa. Now where they'll catch you real mugu. Now you go you know the time you take go your papa grave, go sell the grave, go give them the money. You not go know because they try to correct you, put you for the right position. You now they do like say maybe now you know pass. You dey shout, you dey knock your head. My brother, not see that slap wey they give your head, no work. Now be you go transformer, you go transformer. So that my head go the sense wey be say they carry before for Europe, you go return back to you. Or maybe you go join easy boy, they talk nonsense. Maybe that time your sense go come back. Because you know that age where you talk to you there, that age na lie. If I'm gonna check that boy away, you never reach that age, he never reach. He dey behave like small pikin. He dey behave like small pikin because this wey be say that age no behave like mumu do he behave. You all do mumu from Europe. You come mumu
you don't do my son Naomi only say
no bros, bros, not be say don't do. You know yeah wetin he talk with you say na the
If I don't do. I greet you.
Let's see my brother.
Hello. Where do you fuck up day for this matter? Be say I don't know what to blame, but because if you see German money matter, be say that guy not really, he not too wise like that. Oh, that money supposed to enter your account. Now you suppose use the money do what you want to do for her.
No, I will this money enter my account. If you're worst.
If I'm not worst, no, if I'm not worst. Because when they see that German money, your day body and sense not there.
I don't know now. I'm not feeling.
You understand? So me not they blame my people say all those things when they talk so now true they release scammer. You know the one no two. You understand?
They kidnapper, they can't rob. For this your age. Don't say you na soldier na dey stay for you. Not be soldier, no body for you.
I'm gonna bring your father come back for me.
Mr. Mono, see that word when you talk so, They thank you very much, because I never come up for this matter, but I see your work. You know, delay day easy, you dey try. All the calls when people don't cost you now. This fake money prayer, you go carry your life go forward well. Because you really try for this guy, you know, they easy. Well, una for just fuck off for this guy body. Una just forget the past. Una just follow the present. This guy right from when he did Europe, did Jamie, there was no hope. Hey, una see life when they live. So after they will to go now, we're even very happy that I did with that guy when he like say he was small. And I don't forget the life when this guy live for Europe here. I don't forget him. I just use another life just to follow him. So when I go see try because just be like cross of Jesus Christ, they heavy well. I beg you go try me and make sure I get the end before now leave that guy. If not, he go to work cloth to now what I say you gotta remove audio cloth to and I try to tell you.
Prayer and now what I felt to be down. I think they say this guy so true. They really scam. I know don't want to for the money issue. You understand?
But where take make mistake, you did transfer money, you know if you screenshot money, you did send from that person's account.
Common sense is not common, my brother. It's not the common. I mean, you know, you supposed put the money for your account. They use it and do what you want to do for her. If it be say that he go dey carry big nash now, you know.
It should not be humanizer now.
Forget that thing. He say no, he never fought for 8 years.
By the hear Your father, I beg everybody mute.
Waiting to this account. Made a bridge German money come. German money still wants to pay for motor. Because they say waiting to your account. Now debit of 100,000, 50,000. You see for that account, so they don't see anything like that. Yeah.
I not tell you.
Wait,
that's much money to remove this money. Oh.
May everybody mute. May everybody mute. I beg.
They say he sent. Yeah. He sent 4 million. That means person send 4 million. If they get me so on the 14th, I start to the use and say 100K. If I say
I better wait first, the father wait.
Okay.
Moderator, mute everybody. Moderator, on the meeting here. Oh yeah, you tell us.
They say the money so on the 14th and they start to the use and on the 14th. Say when the money fair come 100,000 they fair remove. They say from the 18th they can't remove like that 100,000, 100,000. Say they say I can't video it and I can't print my statement.
Your father wait, I beg. The 4 million will go and send he enter the account, Abi.
Yes. Now what they told they say that one enter they see 4 million.
Okay, from there.
The guy saying 4.1, sorry, 4.1.
Enter. Okay. So how they cut use the money?
He said 100,000 come for the account.
100,000.
Yes.
So how many places?
May I ask him? But me go so reach there, shall so reach there. Wait.
Okay. Wait, man. I beg everybody come down apart from Ogbona and Godfather. May every other person come down, please. Every other person should come down. Drop everybody apart from me and Ogbona and Godfather. You remember one person going and one drop. Mona drop the last person now. Moderator, una don't may that moderator is allow. Oh yeah.
If I jam my money, they call me now. If they get me so.
Yes.
He say if I they hear me.
Yes.
Jam my money, they call me now. He say he not send the money once give the man. He say the first they may go check the motor. If I give the man 3 million, it's 300,000. He say now small money to pay the money. Oh.
Then as much money to pay the money.
You they hear me?
He say as much money to pay the money.
He say now small money to pay the money. I teach jam my money they talk so.
You know you and German money they less so.
He said the first day, he said now 300,000 I fair give.
Okay.
Because this have the pay. He said now so. Now what you tell me?
German money.
Don't tell me. Now what you tell me? If I make you call and ask for yourself, I go talk the same thing.
I don't hear you.
I don't understand. Who can say the money now 100,000?
Now what you say you tell her, like say na small small you tell they put the money.
Sure. Hello?
And they hear you.
Tell me say na so you take give her, so you beg give her 300. Now what you see tell me your friend, who be this one?
And they hear you.
Hey, Pap.
Eh? Eh.
It's very if I go price. We give her 300,000.
Okay.
Only the way I want to pay that. I don't like the white one. I don't like her. Like I want to buy. Now I can't give her the money now.
How much you can't give her like that? Since we give her 300, since we give her 300,000 the first day, how much you can't give her like that? The remaining balance.
4.1. It could be 4 million.
4
million. It could be 4 million. 4.4.
It could be 4.4. You transfer and give her, or you give her the money for hand.
I transfer inside my account, and inside my account, let the 45 enter my account.
Okay, meaning you see and say tomorrow you still come and say me go meet your father, mother for go down myself for when.
If I hear me, more catch this boy now. If how much be the total money, more transfer give this boy. How much be the total money?
You say?
How much be the total money they send give this boy? How much be the total money?
Total money they send give this boy now 4.2 million naira.
4.2, okay. You transfer 4.5. How come 400,000 sit in your account? Who give you money? When I say ask that question, who give her money? You transfer 4.5. Give you the same money to. How come you get 400,000 for your account?
You not tell me you're gonna say you don't get money again.
If I should be you understand. The account balance for you, see money me there your account for years, see, and they still send up for me. May I show you? Your account balance on your account is hold on.
You don't get money for hand.
See, and they say you still get 461,000 for your account, so 461,000 and your account.
Okay, you still get 461,000 naira for your account. Abi?
Yeah, for your account. Then they say they 461,000.
You pay 4.4 million. So where you foresee the remaining 461,000?
Yes, okay, now, you know, say that account where they use before I travel out.
Yeah.
Money, I got money before, now my account, they go to withdraw my money. I become money for account. Then they finish my money like that.
You say? I dey hear you. That boy, why here? When I wait. I dey hear you. What do you talk?
That account, I know from my account. Before I come up for Nigeria. Before I come up for Nigeria. You hear me now? After I don't put business for I don't put business. Now they put money. They chop my money, chop my business together.
Wait, they can't shop your money. You can't even have 461,000.
No, it can't be that one.
Okay. How much? Wait now. How much you put for the account? Where they call shop. You can't even have 461,000.
Well, that money, that account, I leave 1 million before I go to Nigeria. I go abroad.
Okay, 1 million. Okay, Godfather. Godfather. I'm going to check out if 1 million don't fit that account before. As that day.
Hello?
I will come home, man, drink water.
They call with the girl. She want to check out whether money fed the account before they put that 4 million. Wait.
Yeah, may check them before.
May you wait. I'll talk the balance within your account before they put that 4 million. But me don't almost did the I did the street already.
You say? What you talk?
I said the girl want to check out that money fed the account before they put the 4 million.
Wait. You should not be 1 million again.
You know the way they talk? I leave money before I travel out. I leave money before I travel out.
How much you leave for inside before you travel out?
How much I leave?
Yes. How much you leave?
Now my sister, now my cousin, I need the business. Now they put the money. As I come now, you hear me now? As I come now, this are coming for them 340. Not coming for them. Where
your cousin sister where they run the business, where they run your account, where she dey?
Look, they say I arrest them.
Oh, now your cousin says you arrest so.
Yes, now let me say I arrest they win my business.
How you confident get access to your cousin sister account? When people say you not in Nigeria, you not get document to travel to Nigeria. Yes. Come on. I dey hear you fasting. May I go on break for like 2 hours, Jare?
I leave my ATM card.
Okay.
Because I cause they open business in case person they found money, any of their family, maybe from there they will withdraw they give them. Maybe they're not going to disturb me for abroad.
How much you leave for your ATM card before you travel out?
How much I leave here?
Yes.
340.
3 waiting?
Yes, now I leave.
300,000.
340.
370,000.
Yes, now I leave. 340. I don't see 360,000. 340 now I leave.
3 million.
Which one be 300? Is it 3 million or 300?
3 million and some thousands of nairas. Okay, fine. Make the
3 million. Hello.
You said 340.
I said 3 million. I don't say 3 million.
Okay. Okay, 300,000. And after they don't collect the money now. Out of that 300,000, for the money to the manuals, it can't be add. It can't be 461,000.
Hello?
I dey hear you.
The money, sir, yesterday, now somebody send me money.
Come.
You hear me? They don't close, but they go.
Okay, Godfather, you are doing it. You leave 340,000 before you travel.
I don't reach there, but they don't look, but they go open. Don't worry.
Okay.
Well, now I got this. I go open even at 5 o'clock.
As you leave 370,000.
I just tired. Nobody call this day I go home.
As you leave 370,000.
I agree to you.
Before you travel out of the country, you spend 8 years for Germany. At the end of the day, you call him that 461,000. I be called the poor money when you reach out.
Why?
May I call you?
The one activate the account. The one activate account. People send me money. People send me money for that account. People send me money. I said they open their account. Now people send me money.
You know what thing, Mr. Man? Mr. Man, I think we'll go on break for like 30 minutes. Okay? Not worry, relax your mind. We're gonna go on break. I believe Godfather is gonna be on guide. Godfather. Godfather, I beg go carry for Aurora Junction. You think go Aurora Nana?
I did already. No need to go carry you.
You say he did your back already. Just wait.
Eh?
You fit go carry for Aurora. You fit go carry for Aurora. Godfather. You fit go carry for Aurora.
Make you finish what they do for bank. Make you finish bank already closed. So in don't manage enter inside bank. So they do for inside bank.
Talk to me now. Huh? Good morning, good afternoon. I do. Okay. I hear you. How much do the account? Huh? 460, 460,000. I have to do the account. Before they come out that formula, they will give me that reminder later.
Your father.
Oh, can you just write it?
Correct.
That's why go carry me for blood Joshua. Baby, I go for that car because this one that one. The one that just died. I don't understand.
We want me you down timely death.
Okay,
so the people who give you money, they not suffer before they give you the money.
I don't have the money. Me not chopper.
So they need me since that me they do say that me do over sabi pass now because what they talk now, that me take the judge myself. You say we want give you a timely death. Me will call put platform and they take donate money for you. People wait, Larry. People wait first. Wait first. You're mute. You next time you give person better update because people are stress for the money.
Wait, Godfather, make carry phone around Joshua. May carry go to place now.
May you wait now. The man say not there around. The man will get the boss not there around.
Wife dead there. Boss dead there.
Oh, you know say wife dead there. So they stress me.
I don't think she just now. Why do you know the year which they talk? I think say the wife now carry off.
Okay. As your network not stay good, that's why my network not stay good.
Tell Godfather make carry phone around Joshua.
Okay. Wait, your father will carry you phone. Wait.
Enoge one by two. I tell you, feel with you, ya, or mama, ya, get no way. Enoge one by two. I tell you, feel with you, ya, or mama, ya, get no way. I'm where you got my way. Easy, no matter ya. Ugeno porube, enoge one by two. I tell you, with your ya, oh man, ya, ugeno porube. Naga dege, oriri moma, kete kavegi kuma badego, ugeno porube. Enoge one by two. I tell you, with your ya, oh man, ya, who no way. And no bien, easy, back, easy.
Afa. Wait, if they confirm something for us, wait first. You're going to be
40,000. So many command and debit got this one. All those 40,000, so now debit.
Yeah.
Which one you have now?
Go inside. As you take it. Ovi, take your own and go inside. Ovi, what are you there? Ovi, come back. Oh yeah, okay, go. What are you going to Mona, they gift me. Where I gift you, man? Yeah, go inside. Just mama, go inside, okay?
Okay.
Let
me do for you.
Lock the fridge. Go open the fridge.
Lock the fridge. Enoge one by two. I tell you, with you, ya, or mama, ya, get no way. Enoge one by two. I tell you, with you, ya, or mama, ya, get no way. I'm where you got my way. Easy, no matter ya, get no way. Enoge one by two. I tell you, with your ya, oh man, ya, get no way. Naga dege, oriri moma, kete kavegi kuma badego, get no way.
Yes.
I tell you, if you with your ya, oh man, ya, who can no more, and your beer, easy back, easy on, who can no.
They come. They check them now, that's why.
They check.
They check them. They check them. Yeah. Baba. That's what delicious Baba. Come inside, come inside. Godfather. Brother Sabayo, give me some minutes. Godfather. We go on break now because my Baba don't come. We'll go on break. Joma morning, we'll go on break. We'll come back in 30 minutes.
Before you go on break, just say, before we get there,
Okay, I'll call her now. Yeah, I want to go Bab. My Baba don't already there around. Yeah, I want to call her now. I'll call you. You go give us the details if I come on live. Yeah. All right.
If I hear me.
Yes. You don't write out.
If I hear me.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
If I hear me.
Yes.
Yeah, after Ogbonna send that money, some people can send that 30. Some people send that 30,000. One person send that 30,000.
Yes.
One person send that 40,000. One person send that 5,000. All those 1,000. You get me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Godfather.
I come on, show. I'm not sure.
Godfather, you hear me? Godfather. Godfather.
I hear you.
Keep the paper for me.
I hear you.
I want to go on break.
I hear you.
My Baba there, keep the paper. If I come on live,
I hear you.
You can show us the paper. Keep the paper. Yeah. Thank you so much, Godfather. God bless you. God will give you so money now. Thank you so much. Ogbonna, when I join me by 5 o'clock. By 5 o'clock,